Git is a very powerful tool, and every developer should know how to use it. Should be a given. However, today I'm only going to something specific, and that is called Git Tag. If you use Git Tag properly, 90% of the bugs that comes into your production will be gone. Let me share you a story. A couple of years ago, I didn't know about Git Tag. I used to have different branches for different environments. So anytime I had need to push code to production, I would merge the staging branch to the production branch. For that, I had to sit every Friday night and check thing is working fine. This was annoyance to its max. I didn't like to spend my Friday nights merging the code instead of spending time with my family. Alright guys, so let's start with the presentation. So the agenda for this presentation is going to be what is a Git tag, why tags matter. Everyone needs to know why tag is important, and then when to use tags. So Git tag is a pointer that is specific to a commit. So the easiest way to do that is by using the command git tag -a, the name of the tag, the version of the tag, and then the message with it. This way the tag is created. But once the tag is created, you need to push it to the repository so that every other developer can use that too. So you use git push origin, and once this is done, you can do git tags -l to list down all the tags. Yeah, so this is easy. So let's go to why we need to use. The main reason for using it is for mark release. So anytime you need to release specific version for staging, production, dev, anything, you just use git tags for it. Reproducibility. The main reason for this is, like, for example, production is down or there's a bug in the production and it's not being seen in staging or dev. You can use git tag to check out on the specific commit and just test it out locally. And once you found the bug, you can fix it, update that git tag, and then push it back to production. This is how easy it becomes. Then team communication. Like when I'm talking to guys, it will be easier for me to use git tag rather than explaining to them to go to this commit and then find the issue or the bug. Then the fourth is safe rollback. I think this is the best reason to using git tags. In a case when production is completely down and the fix is going to take hours, you don't want the system or the application to be down for that many hours. What do? You use git tag to roll back to a previous version so that the application can go live again. And lastly, when to use it. So anytime when there's a new release, there's a hot fix, deployment markers. Like if I want to send it to QA to test it out, I can set up a tag for QA_1.1.1. QA can test it out, and if they say okay, then it can be pushed to production. Then project milestones. Every project have multiple milestones. So every time a milestone is reached, we can give it a tag. So now this was a basic understanding of how to use Git tag.